magpapagupit. Magpapagupit daw ang aking kasama, guys. So, yeah. Drizzling here in Singapore. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking video, guys. Sa lahat ng mga supporter, guys. Shoutout. Thank you. Salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsusupport. Ayan. Ito ang aking daily routine. Pag may off day, guys. Walking around, taking video, meeting friends. Thank you. At may palagi akong kasama na naglalakad. Very supportive friend. Napaka-supportive ang aking friend, guys. Dahil palagi niya akong sinasabayan mag-vlog. Ayan. We are here in pedestrian road. So we must stop. Oh, ayan. Drizzling. Oh, yan. May nagpo-pogging, guys. Ayan. Ganito dito. Para manong yung mga lamok. Oh. Ayan, guys. Nandito kami. Walking around. Ayan, dyan kami pumunta, guys. Uuwi na siya? Yes. No. Yes, no problem. Yes. Good. Yan ang gusto ko. Ayan, guys. Yes, no problem. I'm not hungry. Ayan. Great grass, guys. So, tingnan mo yan, no? Cutting grass. Nagkakat siya ng grass. So, ayan. Dito kami ngayon. Ayan, pupunta kami dito sa may shopping mall. Dito. Go to the front gate. Go to the front gate. Where are you going? Go to the front gate. Oh, ayan. Yung kasama ko, guys. We're going to Bukit Timah Plaza. We are going to Bukit Timah Plaza and meeting one friend.